Tgi Fridays in sale. This move is called the Twin 540 pour. It's for master bartender level. Basically, when you're making a drink, you'll have your glass already iced up. We're using 2 spirit bottles, one in each hand, and basically we're grabbing them out of the speed rail, we're throwing them 1.5 times, catching them here, and pouring straight into the glass.
Practice this move first with your weaker hand, and then when performing the move, look forward at all times.
Okay, this move is actually called the Twin Corkscrew. It's move number 5 with a master certification level. Basically, it's a 2-handed move again, 2 spirit bottles. You ice your glass up as if you're making a cocktail. Basically what we're doing, with the left hand we're spinning this way, and with the right hand we're going over the shoulder, and we're basically catching the bottles at the same time into the glass. This one's spinning this way, this one's spinning this way, hence the corkscrew.
Release both bottles at exactly the same time, keeping your eye on the one coming over your shoulder, and then catching them both by the neck directly into a pour.
This move is number 6, it's called Tinter Vogue. It's for the master certification level. Basically what you'll need is a mixing tin and your spirit bottle, whichever you're using. Basically the move is, with the bottle inside the mixing tin, you reverse hold it, you separate, the bottle will do 540-degree spin, catch it, and then go into a Vogue pour.
With a quick flick of the wrist, release the bottle, keeping hold of the tin, catch the bottle upside down, follow the move round, and then into a Vogue pour previously demonstrated.